hello.
Excuse me. Just a minute.
Okay.
Are you a Ghanaian?
Yeah, I'm a Ghanaian.
Oh, hallelujah. But all mom can create.
What is it?
I'm traveling to the so I'm traveling.
Man, the pictures not TikTok. What more you know?
More news for them, the media Bema. When you say, oh,
maybe a channel to chant a discount.
Oh,
yeah. Sound still.
after I'm about to leave for fishes up, hope you say,
Won't be Napa. China home, I'm trying
oh, I'm many decades.
Oh,
I mean, it's how I would I want them partners photo, which I'll remember that. Yeah, so bra. Some
yes, I'm not a discount, but
I'm so why? Commission by you now.
I've been outside the competition.
Oh, we have made a meeting of the Mabush for. Perfect.
Yeah, we're coming. Seriously, no, come. I feel one that no, you're not a man about me. I'm doing my cheap. I'm
trying to hold.
Yeah, yes, you. I'm not factoring. Say once I your bank money. I know what's this is. Yeah. Now what's I say?
Right. No way. Yeah, ready. I'm going to find say yeah, I'm today. Hey, bra, wait. Bra, no. Yeah, ready. Because there's some before. So stand on the door. You ready? Because there's some. I wait in age before. Yeah, because there's some kind of ready. Hey, nah. Yeah, we could have been so. Yeah, foi. Says, yeah, I'm going to tell you, but you can see yourself. Yeah, I'm going to come to my house for you. Yeah. Hey, I want to show them.
Oh my God, eh? I don't really like people keeping me waiting. We agreed by 2. Now it's 2:30. Should I go or should I wait for you? In fact, if I wait for like 5 minutes, just 5 minutes.
Hey, me baby. My baby.
Who is your baby?
My baby. Wait, when I tell you something. My baby. Oh, come on, give me a hug. My baby. Oh, don't do that.
You made me angry.
My baby.
I
baby.
Oh, you keep
give me a hug, my baby. Oh, come on. My baby.
Stop.
I'm going to show you one this. My baby. You see that?
Come now.
No.
Oh
I want a proper. I want a proper.
Wait. Just give me. So after delaying me for 30 minutes, now you're my baby. Are you a kid?
Do you know the price of this phone?
Even if it's 1,000.
I want a correct hand. My baby. Give me a correct hand. If not, I would. No, my baby. This one is very expensive. Look.
See, people are around there. You see people washing it.
Why didn't you tell these people to buy you the phone? Look, this is 1,500.
But it's not a new phone.
It's a new phone. I just got it from my friend.
With this case there.
Oh, you don't get it. He's owing me 5,000 euros. And that is 1,500 euros. No? But he has some locks on that. He needs to unlock it for me. Then only you can have that. I don't have access to the phone. I need to call my friend so that he does that for you.
You still need to call. Are you not supposed to have done this before buying?
Look at the time we said we were going to meet here. Huh? I couldn't go to
Number one, you delayed me. Number two, you don't.
That is why I couldn't decode the phone and bring to you.
Then call your friend. Call your friend.
I don't know if I've lost his contact, but I.
Which I will. Where do you buy this phone from?
He's owing me 5,000. So the only thing.
Where did you collect this? Onya.
Hey, what's that?
Onya.
Hello,
madam.
What's that?
Hold on. Wait.
I never know.
Decoded me.
Hey.
What's that? He just decoded me. How?
Wait, I'm coming. I'm calling my friend.
No. Your guy just decoded me.
He
broke the code, though. Which broke the code?
Hello, what's that?
Which code?
I didn't say you.
What's the phone that you're holding, who is this for?
Peter, my friend, you don't know nonsense. This your guy just
decoded me.
In what way?
Open the phone, sister.
This my boyfriend just get
Let me.
now.
You said if you just it's his phone, eh?
Oh yeah.
Decode it.
You're not giving me the password.
Let me give you the password. Ma, give you the password.
Okay.
Oh yeah, whose phone is that? Which kind of sorry? This guy just decoded me, my sister.
No, I don't know he's like that.
You let this guy go away. I just got decoded, my sister. I was there.
You see, in this
I was
Europe,
there taking pictures.
let me just tell you, in this Europe, you have to open your eyes.
Which kind of eyes open
You
me
have
that
to
way?
open your
Now my country,
don't
just
let me
decoded me.
Maybe he has
He's
taken
your
my
boyfriend.
phone. Do you know I cannot even find 20 euro I put in my bag now.
Ah, okay. No, you're hala. You want boyfriend? Which kind of boyfriend?
Please, can you give me like 2 euro for transport?
Which kind of transport?
Eh?
Well, for where? Me that I just got decoded.
Please.
Ah, me say, hey, Raddy, me
If I see this boy,
me decoding Crawford.
if I see this boy, let's go and look for him.
I should go with you. The time you and him were enjoying was I there with you.
20 euro.
Eh? Madam, come, I will bring you.
Hey, my God. Wait.